Hello friends! Today I came with another new collection video. Let's play with all of them and see how many what do we have here today. Let's go! Wow! Woo! A holder truck. Spacious carrier truck. Wow! Hey! Whoa! Cement truck! Woo! Hey, hey, hey! Looks shiny! Wow! Whoa! Red button! We can use the battery with it. Whoa! Woohoo! Wow! An oil tank truck. Hey! Yellow and orange oil tank truck. Wow! Whoa! Another truck! Red, blue, green, RGB garbage truck. Wow! So spacious, so big. Big wheels like monster truck. Wow! Whoa! Whoa! Big garbage truck. Wow! Whoa! What is this? A big carrier truck. Wow! Got so many cars with it. Whoa! You can store these cars in this big carrier truck. Hey! Red racing car. Whoa! Woo! Red minivan. Wow! Hey, hey! Whoa! Two more racing cars. Wow! Great truck. Hey! Whoa! Ambulance! Hospital ambulance! Hey! Call 911! Hey! Whoa! Wow! Whoa! Fire truck! Wow! A red big fire truck! Woo! Hey! Looks so big! Big red fire truck! Whoa! Oh! Wow! Next toy is a jeep. A big army jeep. Whoa! Woo! Can jump. Wow! Big army jeep. Whoa! Looks so strong.
Vamos!
Hey! Whoa! A big aeroplane. find. Hey! AP747. Whoa! Woo! Hey! Oh! Police jeep. Wow! Beautiful looking cool police jeep. Hey! Whoa! Whoa! 2 buttons police jeep. Wow! Whoa! Hey! Woo! Wow! Cover! Police jeep, police patrolman. Whoa! So many collection. Wow! Monster truck. Whoa! Big scary monster truck. Red wheels. Local tyrant. Hey! Woo! Woo! Hey! Powerful monster truck. Wow. Whoa. Big oil tank truck. Wow. Looks shiny. Orange tank. Yellow shell. Orange tire. Black. Wow. Orange wheel. Black tire. Wow. Red toolkit. Wow. Cool. Oh no. My bowl is all full. It cannot store any more toys. Oh no. I still have 2 more toys. Wow. A big helicopter. Woo! Wow! So nice, so cool. Police helicopter. Wow! Woo! Helicopter, helicopter. Hey! I'll just keep it here. You stay here, okay? We'll have lots of fun when we go home with this. Haha! Last toy. Wow! A crane. A big crane. Whoa! Wow! Beautiful big crane. Hey! Thank you for watching my video, kids. If you like them, please like, subscribe. Bye bye.